Hello again, this is Nader speaking. This is another part of the video, could be part 2 or part 3. Now, as we discussed before, that this is the Farnborough project. Now, that was a condition, by the way, from the planners, that we had to provide 360 parking spaces inside, in the basement and sub-basement, and in the forecourt, and for British Rail. And also, we had to provide this route as well, and also deal with this part of the site as well. So the planning conditions were quite tough on condo projects and on TP Bennett, but we dealt with it. Mr. Frank Taylor was a very good planner. He negotiated and we learned a lot of skills about planning procedures on this project, and really he showed the company and the client that he was a very good planner, and he taught us a lot of skills. I learned quite a lot from this project about planning procedures, because Hampshire Council, they're quite tough, in those days, 1988, 89. Right, I'll carry on now with the project. Here are some of the details of the windows, the bay windows, as you remember when we were talking about them in the previous video. So I had to do some interesting detailings for the brickwork, because Hampshire said that council that this is a large building, so try to do a lot of details and different types of bricks, and also condo structure. And condo projects, they say that we have a system, as I said, these wall planks, that they can be connected through nuts and bolts to the column, so the wall planks can be fixed, and then the windows can be also attached and fixed to the building, and the rest of the brickwork can go on over 3 months or 6 months after everybody finished working inside. So in parallel, so many things can be going on site, and that's how the saving of the money could happen. These are some of the sketches. These are some of the sketches that we had to do to get approval by the client and planners and others. As you can see, the eaves here, and also how wide and what kind of construction we'll be using, and we're going backward and forwards with the structural engineers and the mechanical services to see how the plant's going to fit, and all the electrical bits and pieces. So it was quite an interesting exercise to work manually and on CAD, because after we put into drawing, at that time we were plotting them. We used plotters, so we used to bring the sheets and put them on the drawing board and do a bit of writing with our hand. So it was an interesting experience. It was one of my first exercises in AutoCAD. At that time we used Release 8 probably at that time, AutoCAD Release 8, yes. So this is another sketch, and so on. I'll show you the photographs in another video, because I'm sorting out my library at the moment, and hopefully that I'll find them soon and make another video very quickly. And have a nice day. Bye for now.